Hi, we're going to try something new today for math. We've been doing notice and wonder. Today, we're going to start with something called act it out. Now, what we're going to do today is I'm going to read you this story, and I want you to listen carefully to what happens in the story. Three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." Then the three little ducks came back. What's that story about? Who are the characters in the story? Did you say ducks? What do the ducks do? Three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. So they went somewhere, didn't they? Then Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." Then the three little ducks came back. So we're going to come back to that story and think about what happens more in the story tomorrow. Okay? Now, the next thing with math, oops, I should have kept my book here, is something called how many do you see? So I'm going to show you a picture of some dots. How many of those dots do you see? Did you say three? That's how many I see. Now, the next question is, how do you see them? Well, I see them, but they're not in a straight line, are they? The three dots don't go this way. Do you know what that word is? They're in a diagonal line, aren't they? They're kind of in a line that goes kind of sideways. So I would say, how many dots do you see? Three. And then how do you see them? You might say that they're in a diagonal line. You might say that they're very close together. We're going to be practicing more. This is called subitizing. That's kind of a fun word. It means that we count things, but we only use our eyes. We don't actually touch and count them. That helps us make us better mathematicians. So we're going to be practicing that a lot this year, of just looking and counting with our eyes. Now, that kind of leads into our activity today, and I'm going to show you here, but hopefully you have a book at home and you will be able to do the same activity. So I grabbed a book called Grandma's Purse. And what your friends are going to do at school is they are going to take a look at a page in the book. Let's see. I'm going to start with this page here. And it's not so much about reading it, is trying to find groups of objects that I can count. Do you see anything on there that you could count? I see there's something, oops, I can use my head to hold it up. I see there's something hanging from the door here. And I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 little pom-poms hanging from the door. Look at the caterpillar down on the bottom. I'm going to hold that right there. Can you count how many body parts he has? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He has 7 body parts. Let's try one more page. Let's go. Ooh. Have you ever had a bobby pin in your hair? Okay, so here's Grandma's hair with some, but there's some bobby pins over here. So I could count the bobby pins on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that there are 7 bobby pins on that page. So your friends are going to have some books that they're going to explore. They are going to try to find groups of objects and count them. So hopefully that's something that you can do at home today, and we'll be using these books a lot more in kindergarten. All right. Thanks for counting with me today.